Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Omar Pineda, your Austin realtor with eXp Realty, and today I am on site, on location in the beautiful Leander, Texas. This is Texas Hill Country at its finest. I mean, look at this backyard. This is what I really wanted you to guys take a look at first. I mean, you have this infinity pool. This is Toll Brothers, by the way, the builder. You have this outdoor kitchen and seating area. And I mean, this place, the backyard, the more you walk it, the more you're like so impressed by it because you have the hot tub jacuzzi here with the bar tabletop. I mean, can you imagine sipping on like your favorite summer drink and talking to your friend right here in the hot tub? I mean, today is a beautiful day. We're filming this in November in 2025. I think the temperature is like in the mid 70s. It's beautiful out here. And I mean, check this out. They really our Toll Brothers is really showcasing all of their best upgrades. You have the outdoor fire pit. Even when you walk down here, you have this nice little walkable area that they use, this AstroTurf. So it's great for the kids, super safe. And if you can see with the camera all the way over here, they actually were pretty inventive and created a little golf course. So right here's a little putt-putt. Take a look at that. But this is an entertainment home, an entertainer's dream because you have the pool, you have the bar, you have the putt-putt. I mean, take a look at this little piece. This one really got to me. I love how awkwardly shaped it is. And it seems like it's a little bit deeper than the actual pool itself, but this is so beautiful to me. And I definitely want us to take a look up there because that looked, the viewpoint from up there is going to be breathtaking, I could tell. But this, when I first saw it, I was like, I wonder what the view looks like if I was sitting right here enjoying myself. And just, can you picture it? Can you picture it? You have this greenbelt, Texas Hill Country, this amazing home of like what Austin luxury is all about. We are inside this beautiful Toll Brothers home, and we're going to do a quick tour. You'll notice the grand staircase followed by the nice home office right immediately as you enter the foyer. For YouTube, I can, yeah. Grand staircase. Everything that you want in a home, you'll find on the first floor. The primary bedroom and the guest bedroom. We have formal dining and a home office. Not to mention this lovely, lovely media room that I am really digging their couch setup here. This is almost how I would have it myself if I was doing a custom home like this in my media room. Moving on, let's walk over to the living area and take a look at this. I really was blown away by this dining room area because I think they did it so right by having this sectioned off. I know we love open concept. There's an open concept living and dining space over here, but having the formal dining and sectioned off and having like a two-way fireplace, I think was chef's kiss. And I love the fact that they did a double entryway. It just adds, I think, a little bit more luxury, and it just adds to so you don't get people stuck just from one way in and out. Let's see. And over here, we're gonna see this is like the little breakfast nook area. Yes, you can't get enough of this, what do you call it? This infinity edge kitchen island. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Toll Brothers did not spare any expense when it came to all their upgrades. Okay. Follow me over here. This is where we have the primary bedroom, the master bedroom. I mean, look at this chandelier. This is exquisite. Beautiful, beautiful. It almost reminds me of being in first class if I was on the Titanic. Okay, so as we walk over here, this is where we're going to find the master bath. Let me see if I can turn on some lights for you guys. Because I want you guys to see the walk-in closets, but the lights are not working. But if they were working, we'd have two walk-in closets, which for this price point, that's the least they can do. And then you have the walk-in, a huge walk-in shower, huge garden tub, his and her sinks. The light fixtures kind of throw me off. I think they did a little bit too much there, but hey, we can always change them. Beautiful, right? So like I said, on the first floor, you're gonna have everything. You're gonna have the primary bedroom. You're gonna have the secondary bedroom, which acts like a guest bedroom. You have the formal dining that we just saw. We have a home office towards the front. And let's see if we can find that second bedroom that I know is here. Not over here, I think it's on the other side, but here we have, this is where the garage and the mudroom would go. Let's take a look over here. Now, one thing about Toll Brothers is they have a butler's pantry in their floor plan, especially in the model, and it just kind of blows you away because you have 2 kitchens in one home. I believe the appliances are, what was it called? Let's take a look. I had this really, starts with a J. Jannar? Yeah, Jannar. Jannar. Okay, let's move. Now over through here is how Toll Brothers set up their design center, but this would be, I believe, a garage when it's all said and done. Okay, so that guest bedroom is over here, almost underneath the staircase. I haven't even been in here yet. One thing you can expect with this floor plan is that every bedroom will have its own private bath and private walk-in closet. So each bedroom is going to feel like its own private suite, which is very, very nice for a home of this size and price point. Have a look at the bathroom. Okay, so to quickly recap, just on the first floor alone, we have the primary bedroom, we had this secondary guest bedroom, formal dining, home office, media room. So with all that, can you guess what the upstairs is gonna look like? Oh, wow. So up here, and this is my favorite part about having a 2-story, is that it's always going to include like this little loft. Think of it like a secondary living space. And through this entryway, we're going to have one of the bedrooms. Again, we have the private bath. This looks like a little vanity mirror setup, which is nice. I haven't really seen that for a normal bedroom before, but I like what they did there. I like the wallpaper they chose in here. Wallpaper is definitely making a comeback. Definitely adds, I don't know, a little bit more depth, a little more intrigue when it comes to the room. If anything, one thing that I love about walking through the model homes is that since they're all professionally staged, it gives you tons of ideas of how to create like the most beautiful spaces. All right, so let's walk through here. Ooh, here's the second bedroom. This is the boys' room. They did like a little basketball theme here. I would have been cool if they would have done a Space Jam theme. That would have been cool. This is very dark, almost Batman-like kind of basketball. Beautiful private bath. I mean, who wouldn't want a home where nobody has to fight for the bathroom? No more lines, no more fighting. You would get that all here on top of that amazing, amazing Texas Hill Country views. We're almost done. We're almost done. Ooh, I love this. Look at this. I wonder when this was taken, because this is at least, I would imagine, like 10 plus years ago, because it looks so much different now. I love that they actually included Austin artwork and not so much the generic stuff. I've been here before. This is actually where we have the largest IMAX theater in Texas. We have that in Austin, Texas, believe it or not. This is a museum. I think it's a nonprofit. Okay, so we had that second kind of loft area, and here is, I would say, I guess you can call it a game room or a loft, right? You have the couches and you have like the air hockey here. that connects to the second floor outdoor balcony. And I am a big fan of balconies, especially if you're on the second floor. Let's take a look at this view. This view is money. It's locked. I don't know if I can get out of here. Hang on. All right, come on. This is the last bedroom on the second floor. This one almost has like its nice long hall, private hallway. This would probably be my bedroom because I love having the bedroom that faces the street. They're at the very forefront of the house. I love this bedroom and love having that long hallway. Beautiful bathroom. You cannot go. Oh, capture this. I love what they did here. Look at what they did here with the elements. They spelled genius. That's clever. Germanium, nickel, uranium, and sulfur. Let me know in the comments, how do you pronounce that word? Germanium, I think. Wow. So you almost need a door here so you can make it super private, but I kind of like that's open. So you have the bathroom that's almost like an ensuite for the bedroom. All right. Okay. If you want to tour this home, if you want to learn more about Toll Brothers or learn more about the general area that I'm in here in Leander, call or text me. I would love if you set up a discovery call using my link because we can have a more meaningful conversation. But hey, I'm going to wrap things up for this video. Thanks for watching. Again, my name is Omar Pineda. I'm your Austin realtor with eXp Realty, and I'll catch you in the next one.